Alright, so I decided not to go to the opposite side because I can just reach it in. So let me just proceed with the racing liveries. Let's go with this one. It's what we called the circuit legends. So, of course, uh, track cars like that. So let's open the first one. It's a Shelby Cobra Daytona. It's a Shelby. I believe this is the first time they use this casting on this series. It's a Shelby, and I love Carl Shelby. Wow, very premium. We put it here. Number two, it's Copo Corvette in yellow. All right. Oh, that's the car. That's her place. And the third one, it's a Porsche 962. I believe it was used in a 24 hours Le Mans race. Hence the Advan livery. Oh, wow. The casting is very beautiful. It has a mismatching wheels. Well, that's your place. There you go. And the fourth one is a 2016 Ford GT Race. It's the racing version of the new Toyota GT 40. Or no, just the Toyota Ford, just the Toyota GT. It has no 40 anymore. Oops. Oh, there's a layer of another casing inside. All right, very beautiful casting. It's a Ford race car. There you go. That's your place. And the holy grail of this series, it's a Mazda 787B, or the racing version of the rotary engine. Wow. And it has an opening door, I believe, like that. You can see, you can check the engine. You can open it and then you can close it. Oops. How to close this one? There you go. In white color. All metal casting with rubber tires, matching wheels. And that's the first series. On the second half, it's the Circuit Legend. And then next we will look at the I'm having hard time choosing. How about this one? All right. It has no particular name. Oh, hyper haulers. Oh, it's the hyper haulers. It's hyper haulers. It's basically those pickup. It's like a version of trucks like this one. So let's start with the first one. This is a 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, the race version or the performance version of the F-150 pickup truck in America. Very popular also in Fast and Furious. But I will just put it here because to in line with the truck version, these are also pickup and pickups are trucks. And then number two, the Baja Bouncer. It is made famous in a Baja race in California, I believe, off-road race. Wow, all metal with rubber tires. You go there, that's your place. Oops. And then the third one is the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. in a premium treatment. Wow. Gold tires, gold wheels, rubber tires. It has motorcycle at the back and a very, very good attention into details. Go there, Ford Gladiator. And the fourth one is a Ford Bronco, another Ford. This is, I believe, this is the new model, I believe. Oh no, yeah. Is this, yeah, the new model is the new Ford Bronco. Let's put it in place. And the last one, I believe, again, this is the holy grail of this series, or the sought after model of this series. It's called the Datsun Sunny, or the first Nissan pickup in white livery. Just like this one, but in a newer model, I believe. It's a Datsun Sunny. Not just a pickup, but the Datsun Sunny. All metal with chrome wheels. So that's the Hyper Hauler series. All right, so let's look at another off-roaders. This one, it's called, there's no name. There's no name for the series, but I believe it's what you call this? Uh, rally cars. Let's dive into the first one. Another Porsche 911, 1971 Porsche 911 in an outlaw livery. Oops. All right. So you go here. That's your place. And number 2 is, the second one is Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. Again, let's open it again. There you go, Giulia. Wow, very heavy. All metal casting and all-wheel drive. That's your place, Giulia. And the third one, it's 1971 Datsun 510. I believe this is one also of the sought after model of this series back then. Many are buying this series because of this model. There you go. Here's your place. Oops. Oops. Mm-hmm. Alright, no. I almost broke the display case. Please. There you go. And then the last, oh no, the fourth one is a BMW 2002 or 2002. All right. In what you call this? A pearl white color. And the last one is a Ford Escort RS 1600. It is the first time the casting was used, especially on this series. Ford Escort. They use it for rally cars. Wow. Very beautiful casting. Gold wheels, rubber tires, gold livery. There you go. So that's the third one on this second half. Rally racers. And then let me have this. Again, I believe this is the 2020 rally version of this one. So let's open. Now, let's proceed with number 1. It's an Audi Sport Quattro, all-wheel drive. Yeah. So, this is the casting, all metal with rubber tires. You go there, that's your place. And number 2, again, another Porsche 934.5. A rally car from Porsche again. With a big wing at the back. Wow. The livery is so beautiful. That's your place. And the third one, it's a Ford RS 200. It's a rally car. Oh. Wow. Very beautiful casting. That's your place. And then the fourth one is a Lancia 037. I'm not really familiar with this car, but I believe way back then that this is a very capable rally car from Italy. Lancia. It's the Lancia. And of course, the last, and it was the first time Hot Wheels used this casting. It's a Volkswagen IDR. I believe this is it's their Halo car, Volkswagen Halo car. And here you go. Wow, very beautiful. That's your place. So that's the fourth one on this second half. It's the 2021 rally version of the Hot Wheels Premium. Alright, so let's go here. It's called, I believe this is a new series. It's called the American Scene. So all these are American cars. So let's start with the first one. This is the newest Corvette, the Corvette C8R. Alright, wow. It's the first time that Corvette was transformed into, what you call this? Mid-engine. So let's put it here. There you go. And then the number 2 is a Chevelle SS again. Chevelle SS. I'm not really fan of this casting, but I know a lot of American collectors are very fond of this casting. Chevelle SS. That's your place. And then number 3, it's a Ford Bronco R in teal color. I love the color. It's very cool in the eye. There you go. It's like off-road also car, off-road capable car. And then the fourth one is the Dodge Charger Hellcat. It's one of the most powerful car in America that produces, I believe, 900 horsepower like that. Wow, this casting is very nice, very cool, all metal with I believe this is a new set of wheels. I'm not familiar with the nomenclature of wheels, but I believe this is very beautiful casting, all metal. And the fifth one, the last one, is the first time they use this casting. It's a Tesla Roadster. It's an electric car. Alright, it's the American Scene series. This is the Tesla Roadster. We put it here. The American Scene series. If we have American Scene, then we have also the British horsepower. If you have the American, you also have the British. Alright. And then the number 1 is the McLaren F1 GTR. A little trivia. Do you know Mr. Bean or Rowan Atkinson? he drives an F1 or McLaren F1. He uses it in a regular basis. He even used it to go to the set of Mr. Bean. With golf livery, British horsepower. And then the number 2 casting, it is a Jaguar lightweight E-Type. Very sexy car, very beautiful. It's just too bad Jaguar do not do such casting anymore or such a model anymore. One of the most legendary car from the British Empire. The third one, again, very famous. It's Mr. Bean's car. The Mini Cooper. Morris Mini. There you go. Wow. The casting is all metal with rubber tires. I believe you can take the I believe you can take off the body, but we'll do it some other time. There you go. That's your place. And then the fourth one, it's a Lotus Esprit S1. Very famous for its role again in James Bond. The one that is, it has the capability of going underwater. James Bond car. Lotus Esprit. And then the fifth one, the sought after casting of this series, it's the Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop. The first time it was used on this casting. One of my favorite. Wow. Very beautiful. All metal except for the top. So that's it. If you have American scene, you also have British horsepower. And then, okay. Oops. Okay. 4 more series to go. A while ago, we opened the Euro style, and now we'll be going to open Euro speed. Number 1, it's Alfa Romeo Giulia again. I'm not really a fan of this car, but I know a lot of you collectors are very fond of this casting. You go there. Hello, Shiny. And then the second one is a BMW M1 Pro car again. Alright, wow, the casting is so cool with BMW livery. You go there. And the third one is a Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Wow, Project Cars series. And then the fourth one, it's a Porsche 993. Oops, having hard time opening it. Outlaw livery. And then the last one, it's the Audi R8 LMS or the Le Mans series. Project car. This is one of my favorite casting actually. Wow. I also have a 1x24 model of this. But this is way more cooler. The casting is very nice. All metal, rubber tires, Project Car series. That's it, Euro Speed. Okay, we are done with the last 3 series. So this is the Euro Speed. Get out of the way. We will be opening. Alright. This one first. Deutschland Design. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. Deutschland Design, meaning it's a German cars. These are German cars. Actually, these are two actually. Uh, this is the 2022 model and this is the 2020 model, 2021 model, and then 2022 model. We'll be opening them both. And then the last one is a very special one. Later, I'll discuss. And let's open the 2021 model series yet first. The number one model is the BMW M1, M3. There you go. That's your place. Wow. The second car is a Volkswagen T1 panel bus again in a Porsche livery. I believe they use this as a service car. Wow, all metal, very very heavy. Mhm. And then the third one, it's a Porsche 959. Mommy, you can now eat. Very beautiful. Bill Gates has one of this car. Um, Hi. And the fourth one is Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, SEL, AMG. Wow. Wow, what a beautiful car. Ganda. You go there, that's your place. And the last one, or the fifth one, is the Audi S4 Quattro. There you go. Modern car. This is Deutschland Design Series 2021. And then next, we are having the Deutschland Design Series 2022. Number one model is the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Oh, this is a heavy casting. Wow, all metal. Metal base, metal casting body, rubber tires. Beautiful car. There you go. Number two, it's an Audi S4 Quattro. Last year, it was the fifth model, and now it's the second model on this series in yellow color. And then the fourth one is the very beautiful Porsche 911 GT3 RS in blue color. There you go. Wow! So beautiful. And the fourth is 2012 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe Black Series. Oh, that's a very long name. So beautiful. So true on its design. You go there. That's your place. And the most beautiful model on this casting is a 1994 MG Mercedes C-Class DTM touring car. This is the first time they use this livery or this casting on this series. Oops. Wow, 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 wow. So beautiful. All metal, base, body, and rubber tires. Premium. There you go. Deutschland Design 2022 series. You're off the table. And for the last series, we are having a special one because it is not just a premium model, but it is one of the what you call this, sought after and very popular cast or popular series that Hot Wheels Premium is producing. It's the Fast and Furious series. I believe it is 2019 or 2020 when it was released. But we'll be opening it now to fill up the last 5 slot on this display cabinet. Alright, so let's look at the first casting. It's an Impreza WRX RSSTI. I believe it was used in as Brian's car. You go there, that's your place. Number 2 model, it's the 1991 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. It's a G-Wagon. I believe it was used in the in the uh, in the 788, the Fate of the Furious. There you go. And then number 3, we are having the Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop. In black color, very beautiful, very classic style. You go there, that's your place. And the fourth one, it's the 1967 off-road Camaro. Okay, that's the fourth model. That's your place. And the last one, it's the Hammer H1. I think it's from the Fate of the Furious. There you go. Hammer, all metal. That's your place. The only Fast and Furious Premium that I opened this series. So that's it. Thank you for joining me in opening these premium models for my display cabinet. Thank you, and till next time, happy collecting. Bye.